boo. So yeah, I broke this today with my own. I broke this today with my own fist in physics. Like, basically, it was just a guy holding it like this. Well, you know, it was together, and we just had to do a little swing motion. I had to hit it right in the middle. Just break it in half. I was so accomplished. We had one girl that took a good 2, 3, 4, 5 times to break it, so she was in pain in the class. I'm sure she had a little ice bag on her hand. I did laugh. I was sitting in the front. I kind of laughed a little bit. It was funny. But anyway, I know I'm not normally supposed to be posting on Mondays, but if y'all didn't know, we now have a new Monday. Her name is Courtney. Her channel name is According to Courtney. That's COURTNEY. I'm pretty sure, yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna post her channel at like the bottom and probably the little description box or whatever. And she has pink eye right now, so she can't like wear contacts and makeup, and she probably doesn't want to be on camera with makeup. I don't know why, but whatever. So she should be posting on Thursday just for this week, so look out for her then, and please go subscribe to her and all that. So really, yeah, everybody's just kind of getting back in their time because everybody's like out of town and stuff last week, so we're just going to do a vlog week. And so basically, I got a couple of things that's been pissing me off. Alright, I'm going to start off with this Jason Russell guy. Alright, you know, he's the one that did the Kony 2012, Make Him Famous. So y'all probably seen, I don't really know if they put it on the news, they barely put it on like AOL. But this fool was arrested because of public nudity and masturbation in public. Like, come on, who does that? So basically the video of him is him butt naked, slamming his fists or whatever, his hands against the ground like a maniac, screaming and whatnot, running through traffic looking like a fool. Like, and he really expects his video to get a lot of credibility. And I haven't checked that video since I've seen like him get arrested and all that. I'm sure by now his video has his dislikes all the way down because he just made himself look crazy. I mean, he's crazy because he's in an insanity hospital, not an asylum, but he's being tested for psychological issues. Because I feel like I wasted a full 29 minutes and 59 seconds of my life, you know, watching that video, understanding what's going on, and then I wasted another 4 minutes and 59 seconds talking about it, trying to help make Kony famous, and I'm probably just gonna delete my video because I don't want to be seen trying to support a crazy person. Oh, another quick thing I want y'all to check out is the video of me and my sister singing. We're trying to get in this lady's YouTube idol competition. Her name is Glozell, and basically she's gonna pick the top 15, and then out of that she's gonna feature them on VidCon or something. I haven't really heard it. I probably need to look that up. I'm sure there's a prize involved in all of this, and I would love to get that prize, and it probably involves money that could bring a lot of attention to my channel, and then maybe I can get partnered, and then my channel means more people to this channel, and it's just an endless cycle. So please check out the video, like it, and really that's all you need to do. Just like it and watch it, and that should help make it look more popular. And then subscribe to. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Be smart when you're breaking boards, because as I witnessed myself today, you could really hurt yourself. I'm just so accomplished right now. I can't believe I broke a board. That's something that I always want to do. I broke a board. Oh, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next week, and please check out Courtney on Thursday, which posts a video. And I'll see y'all next time, or next Thursday, yeah. So, alright, bye.